Hello there, I'm Simon Roberts. I'm head teacher of Maesybryn Primary School in Pontypridd. I've been a head teacher for 18 years and I'm currently a member of the National Leadership Academy as part of cohort 3, so the most recent one, who were appointed just before the pandemic back last March. Why did I join the Leadership Academy? Why did I apply to join? Two reasons. Firstly, curiosity and also a desire to do something that was system-wide and based, and this really appealed to me. But most importantly, because I have a passion for school leadership and developing leaders, and see it as something that we all should be doing if we want education to continue to flourish in Wales in the future. So through my involvement in the Leadership Academy this year, I've been able to help with the endorsement of leadership programmes, to be involved in the innovation series and to have some fabulous CPD. And all of that I've brought back to my school for the benefit of my leaders, to share that with them, but also to inspire some of my younger members of staff to take part in middle leader courses, to develop their leadership and take responsibility. So it's had a huge impact on my school as well as me personally, and I would thoroughly advise anybody to think very seriously about applying to be a member of the Leadership Academy. It's been one of the best experiences that I've had in my professional career.